All right, let's take a look at the CandyShell Pro from Speck. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the CandyShell Pro from Speck. This case is rated at 8 feet drop protection. It is coated with their microban antibacterial coating, and it does have a soft touch feel to the back. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a quick look at this beautiful case from Speck, and look at the color accents on this bad boy. Now these cases are available in multiple colors. As you can see, this is like a purple with a orange on the inside. Feels very good. It is soft touch as they stated. Let's go ahead and place the iPhone 14 here, Pro Max. Bam, and look at that. Feels very snug. No issues with the fitting of this case on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You do have lip protection there all around the camera lens, and you have lip protection here all around the screen. Even with the tempered glass screen protector, you got plenty of lip protection, so you're okay if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface or on its back on a flat surface. The camera lens or the screen's not going to get scratched. The buttons are 100% covered, nice and tactile, very responsive. Mute slider easily accessible. Cutouts are nice and precise. And does this utilize MagSafe? And I don't think it does, but it will wirelessly charge through the case with ease. It's just not compatible with your MagSafe accessories. Bam, look at that. But they are good looking cases. Add slim, look at that. Boom, look at that protection there. Looks good in hand. They're very colorful. They got a accent color pop to them. So if you're into these cases, they have multiple color patterns that you can go ahead and get. Link to this product will be in the description of the video. If you have any questions regarding this case, please leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.